Your Tesla is always recording video from all of its cameras, and it can be saved either in Sentry mode when it's parked up, or via Dashcam when you're driving, but you may have noticed that the quality isn't that good. In this video, I'll show you how you can access the full quality video from your Tesla. Provided you have premium connectivity or your Tesla is connected to a Wi-Fi network, you can access these videos on the Tesla app by going to Security and Drivers, Dashcam clips, and then either going through all of them, or you can siphon them via Sentry or Dashcam clips. Scroll down to the one that you want, and then select it. Once that's loaded up, you'll then get a view of the video, and you can slide across the timeline to different points in that video. You can also click on the bottom to select which camera you want to view. Once you've found the bit that you want, you can then click Save 30-second clips to photos. This will then save 15 seconds before and 15 seconds after the area of the video you had selected. But as we've already seen, this video is very low quality. The videos you download from the app are only 724 by 470 pixels at 24 frames a second, and it's saved at a bitrate of only 0.05 megabytes per second. This is the actual size of that video. But this is the video that you can get from the USB stick inside the car's glove box. This video is 4 times the resolution at a higher frame rate and significantly higher bitrate, saving much more detail. To access these higher quality clips, you'll need to go into your car and open the glove box, then remove the USB stick. Plug this into your computer, and once that's loaded up, open up the Tesla Cam folder. In here you'll have 3 folders. Recent clips is the most recent clip it's saved. Saved clip is your dashcam footage, and Sentry clips is the Sentry mode. Inside saved clips, you'll have folders for each recording it's made. The name will be the date and the time, and inside there, you'll see that it is broken down into separate video clips for each camera, and each one is 1 minute long. So we've got the right side, the left side, the back, and the front. Unfortunately, at the moment, the pillar cams are not saved to the USB stick. Most commonly, you'll probably be wanting the video from the front camera, which also seems to be the highest quality of the 4 cameras that you can access here. In addition to the video files, there's also a thumbnail image and then an event.json or JSON. If we open this up in Notepad, it will include the timestamp of when it recorded, the city it was recorded in, and the latitude and longitude of the video. It will also state the reason the video was recorded, which in this case was me tapping the record button on my screen. I hope you found this video useful, and if you did, please do hit subscribe as I've got lots more Tesla and EV tips and tutorials on the way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to plug in.